Hey y'all, Diamond Painting Cajun. Everybody calls me Cajun. My name is Debbie. Welcome to my channel. For all of you that are subscribed, welcome back. For all of you that have not subscribed, please consider doing so and hit the like button as this helps my channel. So, I have an unboxing from Diamond Art Club. I'm behind on my unboxings, but y'all, oh my God. Okay, so the first daughter that got engaged, everything is staying on track. Okay, the second one, which is my baby girl that got engaged, has now moved her wedding from June of next year to September of this year. So we got to hurry now. I'm stressing. Everything gotta go fast. Y'all, oh my God. I was like, are you serious? Holy crap. So I'm like, oh God, started texting this one, texting that one, because you know I have like connections for a cake, and that's the person that's gonna make her cake and all that. Yo, I'm happy for them, but they're stressing me out. I'm trying to, already I was rushing, you know, I'm trying to get everything done and paid for before that. And believe me, it's not no big, it's not no little thing. Like, Lord have mercy. She's not picky, thank God. Thank God, because it's gonna be, we live in the country, we're from the country here in Louisiana, and it's not no big old thing, you know, with fancy, but it's gonna be very nice. So with that said, I'm done. I'm done talking about it. It's stressing me out talking about it. Oh Lord, it's like I gotta write down what I have to do first, because I don't even know no more. Oh my God, I told her, I said, please get your list together. Like, get what you want, get it together. Because I said, we have florals, and I was like, look, your colors, your this, your that, let's go. Let's get it, because I'm ready to get this over, get it paid for and done. Because I don't want to have to worry about that. I already got to worry about finding me a dress for two dresses. So it's like, I'll worry about them first and me last, of course. You know, that's how it is. But I want them to have what they want and how they want it. But in order to do that, I need to know what they want. So I'm like, what colors do you want? Get you a list. Let's go. Now it's time to roll with it, because we don't have that much time. You know, 6 months seems like a lot, but, or whatever, 7 months, whatever left. But it's not really that much when you have a lot to do, you know. So anyway, enough rambling. I'm going to go on with this unboxing. This is a Diamond Art Club painting. It is called Snow Leopard, and it is a 20-inch by 24-inch, and the diamond shape is round, as you can tell from the circle on the box, and it's pink. If it'd be square, it'd be a blue square, and it'd have a blue stripe. This one is a pink stripe and a pink circle. And here's a close-up of it. I'm sorry, I was rambling, y'all. But the instructions for this diamond painting, how it works, and what's included in the box is on the box on the back. Which I'm thinking about putting y'all down. Y'all think I should? Nah. Y'all gonna be all right. Let me open this thing. Y'all, this been sitting right there. Wait, I opened the plastic, but it's been sitting right. I did check it. I checked it, because I check all my diamond paintings when I get them in. But as for like looking at it, I have not. Yeah, sticker. And now I have two from Diamond Art Club, but I'm gonna do that one in a separate video. Okay, so this one's called Snow Leopard by Sandra Winther. And it's a full round drill, 20-inch by 24-inch, 51 centimeter by 61 centimeter. And it's called Snow Leopard. Y'all, I just loved this one so much. I told my husband I have to get it. Like, I couldn't pass it up. It's beautiful. It is so beautiful. I don't know. I love it. It came with a toolkit, and they have everything you need to diamond paint in this toolkit. And we're going to open it up, and we're going to check out what's in it. Okay, so in this toolkit, we have a set of baggies. We have, oh, this one's pretty. We have a maroon glittery pin with the squishy to match it. So your fingers doesn't hurt, you know. Don't know how it goes. Oh, Jesus Christ, really? Hold on. I'm sorry, y'all. This one's pretty, y'all. I might like kind of use it. They have this washi tape. Oh, it's got some of that color in it. Oh, yeah. Look how cute the washi tape is. That's so cute. It has some of the color of the pin in it. Y'all see that? I hope y'all could see that. Anyway, and we have a cover minder, and it's a macaroon. I don't think I have this color. Yay. I have some wax in this heart-shaped plastic thing. Heart-shaped wax. We have a boat with a stopper. I forgot I put it like this. A boat with a stopper. It's the glittery one. And we have a 4-placer and a 7-placer. And those are the contents of this kit. And I guess I'll leave the cover minder out because I collect those. So yeah, I'm a collector of many things. Not many things. Let me see if I can put this back. All right, so that's the toolkit. And now we'll get to the canvas. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna put you guys down for this. Let's see if I could do that. So y'all could see it, and I'm gonna talk about it. I hope y'all could see it though. And it's sideways, of course. This is called Snow Leopard. It has 25 colors. And I'm gonna lay it like this. They have the schematics at the top left and the bottom right. Let me roll this, y'all, so it can kind of lay flat. Give me a sec. Give me a sec. Give me a sec. If I can roll it backwards. Because this one's kind of wonky. Usually they're really, really flat. But they'll come flat because they don't take no time to get flat. This is a beautiful rendering of this animal. This is Snow Leopard. I hope y'all could see it, y'all. I don't want to move the camera too much. Look how beautiful that is. It is gorgeous. Look at those eyes. Those eyes are amazing, y'all. This is going to be so pretty. The rendering is gorgeous. The stick, you know, the stick is awesome. They usually have good, I'm going to bring it up close so y'all can see. And these are licensed diamond paintings. The Diamond Art Club pays their artists for the diamond painting, for letting them use their art. And these are the colors. Y'all, I'm putting y'all back up because now that y'all seen it, I'm putting y'all back up. Sorry. I'm gonna do it better like this. Y'all can see it better, I think. Look at those colors, y'all. Look at those eyes. Oh my gosh. I love it. Look at that. That is amazing. Beautiful. Just look at it. The eyes on this thing is gorgeous. The whole thing is gorgeous. Look at all those colors. I'm gonna bring a close up closer. Look at those colors. I hope y'all could see that. Ugh. I'm having technical difficulties. I don't know if it's the lighting, but I do hope y'all could see that. Look at his nose. His ears. Beautiful snow leopard. It's gonna be so pretty finished. Oh, these are the I'm gonna show y'all the thumbnail. This is the thumbnail. That's the size. I love it. Here are the colors. It is gorgeous. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So, I'm going to show y'all the big sticker of it, for it. Let me fix this again. I'm sorry. That should be good, huh, y'all? Sorry about that. Yeah, I don't know, like, I hate to move my camera because I can never get it back right. This is the sticker with the color, the DMC code. And this is, usually they put this in their logbook, like I do anyway. And like I said, it only has 25 colors. They have 2 ABs. And I'm probably one of the ABs are in the eyes. I would guess. Yep. Number 1's in the eyes, which is here along the bottom portion. And the other one is number 2. Ooh, they have in the white part. So the other AB is number 2, which is all of these right here. This number this right here, this at the bottom here. So you could kind of get a guess as to where the 2s are gonna go. Here, top, up here on its ear. Yeah, that's gonna be pretty. That's gonna be so pretty. Like I said, Diamond Art Club is known for their very soft canvases. They do have scalloped edges and they're poked, so they don't come unraveled. Yeah. And I'm gonna show y'all the photo again. And it's snow leopard and the size. It's so beautiful. Look at those eyes. I can't wait to do this one. I'm not doing it right now. I have another project going on. But when I finish that project, I may kit up and start it. Because that's just too pretty. I'm going to show y'all the drills. I'm not taking them out because they're too hard for me to put back. And if y'all want to see the drills taken out, they do have other YouTubers that do undo the drills. But this is just like kind of a glimpse of the colors. So I can just open it right here like this. Take it out like as a whole and then put them back. I'm not going to undo them though, because they're too hard to fold back. So these are the colors, some of the colors. That's like a really light purple. They have white. And I'm going to show y'all the side view of the colors. And then these. I don't want to undo them all because I'll never put them back. I have a lot of 159s, which is purple. Well, obviously it's purple, but I don't know where they go. All over the place, all in the big, oh yeah, it's like a light purple. They have other purples, so yeah. Like I said, I would take them out, but I'm never gonna get them back in there, so sorry for that. I'll never get them back like I took them out. You could kind of get a look at the colors from the side. They do have beautiful colors though, like some aquas, a lot of blues, light blues, some light grays, whites, light purples, different shades of purple. Yeah. So, I love it. It's beautiful. I think it's gonna turn out well. Like I said, oops, sorry. I love Diamond Art Club's paintings. They're awesome. And I'm going to show y'all one more time. They're just, I can't afford them all the time, especially not nowadays. Look at the detail in there. That's where the purples are gonna go. The detail in this thing is gorgeous. I can't wait. It's beautiful. Ugh, can't wait. So I hope all of you guys are doing well, and I hope your families are well. Leave me in the comment section below how y'all doing and how y'all families are, and what are y'all working on this week and all that good stuff, because I like to know what's going on with you guys. You know me, I just want to know. Like I always said, I'm from Louisiana. We like to know stuff. But I want to tell everybody, thank y'all so much for watching. I really appreciate all of you guys that are subscribed. And if you have not subscribed, please consider doing so and hitting the like button. I'm trying to make it to 500. From 500, I want to try to make it to 1,000. You know, like everybody's, well, maybe not everybody, but my goal, my main goal is 1,000. After 1,000, I'm good, you know. I do want to go, like I had said before, I want to go live. I just don't know how to go about it yet. I have to do more research on it. I haven't had the time to do that, obviously. And I'm going to try to do some research on it this week about going live and what I need and do I have the right equipment and whatever. If you do go live and you're watching my channel, please let me know. Like, do I need any fancy things? Do I need to do, because I really don't know how, you know. I'm willing to learn though, you know, like everything else. But yeah, if so, I really appreciate all of you guys and all of you guys from the bottom of my heart that have subscribed and that are watching, that watch me every day. I see all y'all comments. I try to answer everybody's comments. And if I don't get to you the same day, I promise I will, because they do alert me. And sometimes I'm driving and I definitely can't do it while I'm driving. So, or seeing about my mom, or, you know, doing other things. But I try to get to y'all as soon as I can. So just to let you guys know, I do appreciate y'all, and I do try to get to all of y'all comments. And everything in this video will be in the description box below. And please feel free, leave a comment. Let me know what's up with y'all, okay? And I really appreciate y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Have a great day. Bye.